In this video, I'll be showing you guys how much I've been able to make with copy trading on the Binance app after just 7 days. So in case you don't know, 7 days ago, I made a video on how to make money daily with copy trading on the Binance app. And I showed you guys the step-by-step guide and everything you need to do to start making money or to start copying a trader to make money on Binance. And in that video, I copied 2 different traders. I copied one trader for futures trading with $500 and then I copied another trader for spot trading with $500. Making it $1,000, and then I asked you guys to tell me how many days I should leave it for, and most of you said I should leave it for 7 days. So this is the 7th day, and in this video I'll be showing you how much I've been able to make or lose by copying those traders 7 days ago. But before we go into that, please like this video so that other people will be able to see it and learn something from this video. And please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to the channel and support the channel. Thank you. Now, the first thing you want to do is to go to the copy trading page. Now, to go to the copy trading page, you click on futures where the arrow is pointing to. And then at the top of the screen, you'll see where you have copy. So you click on copy right there. So right here is the copy trading page on the Binance app. Now, to see how much you've been able to make, you come right here to the bottom and click on copy where the arrow is pointing to. So I'll click on it. And right here on the screen is where you see all the details of the trades that you copied from the trader. And then you can see where you have holdings right here. Holdings is where you see the current trades you're currently holding right now. So you see it right here under holdings. And then if you come under trade history, this is where you see all the trades that the trader took, which you copied. So as you can see on the screen right here, you have KQSDT, you have KQSDT right here. And if you keep scrolling down, you see that almost everything, I think everything is even KQSDT. So I think this trader was only trading KQSDT for spot trading throughout the time I was copying this person. So you can see all the trades right here. And then if you come under profit shared, so if you click on profit shared right here, so you can see we have not shared any profit because I have not closed it. So once I close it, any profit I make, the person will take 10% of that profit. Don't forget, I talked about it in the video where I was showing you how to set up your copy trading on Binance. So whatever profit you make, the trader you are copying will take 10% of that profit. So once I cancel it right now and I stop copying this trader, whatever profit I've made, this trader will take 10%. But if I make loss, the trader is not taking anything. So you need to take note of that. And if you come here to where you have balance history, this is where you'll be able to see like how much you'll be able to transfer in and out of the account throughout the time you are copying the trader. So you can see I've only transferred money into the copy trading account once, which was the $500 I added on the day I started copying this trader. So I've not removed any money, I've not added more money. So if it's that you've added more money or maybe you've removed some money from it, you'll be seeing the history right here. Now, with all of this being said, how much have I been able to make by copying this trader? Now, to show you that, let me just go back. So I'll just click on this back icon right here. And then after 7 days, the amount I've been able to make by copying this trader with $500 for spot trading is $23. So you can see right here, I've made approximately $23 after just 7 days. And I think that's about 5% or thereabout. I think it's 5% profit. So I've been able to make 5% profit after just 7 days, which is not bad at all. Remember, I didn't do anything. The only thing I did was to set up this copy trading on the day I copied this trader, and since then I've not done anything. I've not tried to do any analysis on my own. I'm just going about my life as usual, and then I've made 5% profit after 7 days. So if you're a kind of person that you're looking to make passive income with trading, then copy trading is something that you can do. And you can see with this kind of thing, I've made 5% profit. And let's even assume that the trades that this trader took, which I copied, let's say they even moved higher, that means I would have made more. Or maybe, I don't know, maybe if I leave it for more days, maybe I'll even make more money. I don't know. But after just 7 days, I've made $23 as profit. So you can see it right there. Now, for the futures copy, for that one, I cancelled it after 3 days. Now, here's why I cancelled it. Now, on the 3rd day, when I checked it, I noticed that the trader was taking a trade and the trader was losing money on that trade. So I was also losing money. Remember, whatever profit or loss you make will depend on the trader you are copying. So on that 3rd day, I noticed that I was losing money and I checked the trade and I noticed that the trade that the trader was taking that day was making me to lose money. So I cancelled it, and from that trade, I lost $150. So my $500 for futures copy trading went down to $350. So which means I lost $150. Now, this is the first time I'm losing that much money with copy trading since I've been doing it for over 3 years. I've been doing copy trading on different apps for over 3 years. You can go on my YouTube channel and go back and check. I've made so many videos of making money with copy trading on different crypto trading apps, and this is the first time I'm losing as high as $150 with an investment of $500. Now, one thing I've learned learned from this, because this is the first time it's happening to me. So one thing I've learned from this is that when you are copying a trader, please always set stop loss. Now, if you know me very well and you have been watching my videos on copy trading for a while, then you should know that I don't always set stop loss or take profit. And the reason is because I believe the trader should be able to have full control of my account. But this one has taught me a lesson that I should be setting my stop loss henceforth. If it's that I've set my stop loss maybe to lose maximum of $50, I would have cancelled and gotten out of the trade after I've lost $50. But thank God I saw it, because if it's that I didn't see it, maybe I would have even lost more money. But I saw it early and I cancelled it and I lost $150. So what I'm just telling you is that if you are copying a trader, whether for spot trading or futures trading, please, contrary to what I always do where I don't set stop loss, please always set stop loss and even set take profit. So that is what I've been able to make. So from futures trading, I lost $150. From spot trading, I made $23. Now, another thing I want to talk about is that whatever profit or loss I've made in this video does not mean that that's what you also make or lose when you copy a trader. No, it doesn't mean that. Because let's take, for example, for this spot trading now, if it's that maybe you start copying a trader today and maybe the trader even trades more cryptocurrencies or trade more coins, you're going to make more money. Or let's, for example, it's futures trading and maybe the trader did not lose too much money and maybe the trader is even making more money for you, then you'll make profit for yourself. So it does not mean that because I've lost money or because I've made money with spot trading right here, that you also lose money or that you also make money. Please, your profit or loss depends on the trader you are copying. I always say this a lot in whatever video I'm making about copy trading. Again, copy trading is a good way to make money, but make sure you are copying a good trader. But between copy trading and trading bots, for me, I still think I prefer trading bots. And in case you want to learn how to make money with trading bots on Binance, I have a complete guide on that one. The link to that video will be in the description below. Watch it and learn how to make money with trading bots on Binance. Now, before I go, let me show you how to stop copying a trader, because that's one question that a lot of people asked me. Now, if you want to stop copying a trader, what you just need to do is to click on this arrow in front of the trader's name, and then you click on stop copying right here where the arrow is pointing to. So I'll click on it. And then at the bottom side of the screen, just click on confirm. And just like that, I've stopped copying the trader and my balance will be in my spot wallet. Again, if you want to learn how to set up your own copy trading on Binance, the link to that video will be in the description below. Or if you want to learn how to make money with trading bots on Binance, the link to that video will also be in the description below. Thank you for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel so that we can get to 200,000 subscribers very soon. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.